Good morning from Sapporo. I'm right now still in my capsule hotel. I just bought some stuff for breakfast, which I will eat now. I will show you. And then afterwards we will check out some landmarks today. Will be very, very nice, yeah. So, man, I love that stuff you can get at the convenience. It's really so delicious, yeah. It's always eggs. Eggs is always good for protein. Then some sandwich. And of course, some onigiri. So delicious, man, I swear. And of course some coffee to get your system running, to kickstart your system. I feel like the whole Japan experience is, paying for an expensive flight, paying for expensive accommodation, or like pricey accommodation and pricey flights, just to go to Konbini and eat stuff from there because it's so delicious. This is the one I'm looking forward to the most. Salmon. It's finally a sunny day. Actually, it was like the last 2-3 days very cloudy and rainy, but today the sun come out. That's why I look like Shiggy. And since this is my last full day in Sapporo, I decided to do some sightseeing. I haven't really done so much in the last couple days. I was mostly in the hotel and here in the area, in the surroundings, because this was actually enough to excite me, but now I feel like I need to check out the city a little bit more. So that's why we are now heading to some sightseeing today. I go to several places. The first spot I will go to is the Hill of the Buddha. It's like a monastery or something, from what I heard, and it's a very beautiful landmark. I want to check this out. Afterwards go to some parks in here and there, and just check out what Sapporo has to offer besides Susukino, which is like the area I am located right now. So in order to get to where I want to go first, I have to go to the subway, which is where we're heading right now, and from there we have to drive for an hour by public transport and trains to get to the destination I want to go. So this is where we have to go. We have to take the Namboku line. This is the right one. So here you see those digits on the screen, and this is like matching with those digits. So since we have to go to Makomakai, we have to take the 290. So you press 290, boom. There you go, 290, which is like, I don't know, less than €2.
ご注意ください。発車します。ご注意ください。
So we're actually at the end of the train station, and now we have to transition to bus. So I actually already found the bus line. It's the 108. It's this one. Yeah. That's where I have to go. おはようございます。すみません。バス停はどこですか？
どこ行くんだろう。1番の後2番。
OK。切符はそこですか？切符？
あとで降りるときに精査。
切符 inside？OK。ありがとうございます。おはようございます。1人ください。ブダ、ブダ。
降りるとき、500。
いや、1人。1人、only me.
One people?
One, yeah.
Change please. 500. あ、来た。
ありがとうございます。Yeah, finally there. So this spot is pretty touristic, but still, it's very beautiful. You can see mountains here. I don't know if you can see that from here. And you can see mountains here. Besides, I just had like a small argument with the bus driver, because what I didn't realize is when I entered the bus, I immediately went to the bus driver. And I paid for the, or I thought I paid for the ticket. So I gave him like money, and he just kind of changed it, fitting for the amount I have to pay, which I didn't realize. So when I exited the bus, I didn't pay attention, and I just see those statues. And when I exited the bus, I didn't pay attention. And he was stopping me. Hey, stop. So basically, I didn't pay him already. I just thought I paid him. And I had a small argument with him because of that. And thank God there was like a Belgian couple who kind of told me that I was in the wrong. Because otherwise, I would have been lost in translation. Yeah, there you can see it afar. There's the head already peeking out. And that's where we're heading now. So in order to enter, you have to wash your hands, like in this pond here, which I will do for now. Hey, hello. I don't know if you can see this on the camera. I have to check later, but man, it looks really already so majestic. Yeah, you can see the Buddha already sitting there. That's a really cool picture. Yeah, a little bit further down there you have to pay the fee. I think it's around 500 yen.
Okay.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Kippu? Ah, okay. Arigato. Mausoleum? Oh yeah, do not enter the mausoleum. Asama Daibutsu Gobyo. Wow. This is so impressive. It's really impressive here. Wow. Going back to the bus. It was a very nice spot actually. I spent some time there, you know, reflecting about thoughts and stuff. It's actually the perfect spot for such things. I found out what this pool does resemble. So, according to the internet, that water pool represents a traditional offering basin, symbolizing purification and spiritual reflection. Its calm surface invites introspection and serenity before entering the tunnel of the Buddha, aligning with Buddhist themes of inner peace and rebirth. So in this area, besides the Hill of the Buddha, there are also other landmarks, but this was actually the one I wanted to visit. It's a very calm and very nice atmosphere inside this kind of cave. I'm actually almost at the Odori Park. I took a small break. I ate something and it was not good. It was really not good. I wanted to show, but I kind of forgot. It was like some I don't remember. This was like it looked very good, with some pastries and some bread and some different kind of meats with creams inside. But it was really not that good. So you did not miss anything. So yeah, as I said, I'm here now at the Odori Park. You can see already the landmark. This is where we're going now, and just chill a little while and kind of digesting. Later, I also want to go up there if it's possible, and yeah, we'll see. Let's just walk there. So this park is like starting from the TV tower to, I think, all the way up down there. This is all the same park, Odori Park. Man, the weather could not be better actually. This is like after 3 or 4 days, as I said, it's the first sunny day, and it's very nice. You can see, the people are coming out, and general the streets are very alive. Check this out, Hello Kitty car. It's so cute, yeah. I think they sell something. I'm not sure. I can't see it from here. Oh wow! Check this car out. It's a nice American car. Yeah. What a nice car, actually. Yeah. You see? Actually, in Sapporo, I saw a lot of old American cars. Wow! Hear that sound? Yeah, as I said, in Sapporo, I saw already a lot of old American cars from the what is it, 50s, 60s? You know, those typical lowrider or hot rod cars. Like I saw two really nice, you know, lowriders. I don't know which kind of car it was with which manufacturer, but man, they really look fly, you know. And if they can bounce as well, it's even cooler. So earlier today I had a cool encounter with a Japanese guy. He was sitting next to me, and then he left, and after 5 minutes he came back and gave me a beer, and I was like, huh, well, why is this beer for? Oh yeah, for you. And I was already, you know, because usually your spidey senses are up, and you always expect something, you know, that if someone is giving you something, that he always expects something back. But apparently he just wanted to be nice. He was interested where I'm from, or, you know, I was really waiting for what's the catch, what's going on. Maybe he set me up for something, whatever, you know. But it was just genuine generosity, you know. And yeah, it's actually made my day. We had a nice talk, and after I think a couple sentences, he just left, you know. So yeah, I really enjoy how the people here are, you know. Finally, let's go upstairs. I can't wait. I want to see how the view is from up there. Konnichiwa. ありがとうございます。Yeah. ありがとう。No, yeah. It's okay. So the ticket is like 1,000 yen. Of course, you pay more because you're gaijin, because you're foreigner. That's actually very common here.
Sapporo テレビ塔の電光時計はテレビ塔のほぼ中間の高さ。
And here we are. Wow, it's so far up high. It makes me actually realize Sapporo is really a big city. It's not a small city. You know, the last 2-3 days I was just in this area here. You know, I was just down here in this area. Yeah, it's actually a really big city. I must say I'm afraid of heights, and now it kind of kicks in, especially if you look down here. You can see exactly how deep it is. Here you can also see the full length of the Odori Park. See, this is how the Odori Park stretches all over the place until down there. It's quite impressive from up above.